Definitely about a lot better than this one. Guys, I actually got a new package from Down Under. Crikey. Billet Automotive Buttons. Super excited because I actually got a UFO thing or a UFO button for my future rock lights, which I'm going to install like maybe soon or not. I don't know. I'm just going to install the button anyways. Leave the wires out, but there's my UFO one. It lights up blue, so you click it and it turns blue. I like that sound. Anyways, and then I also got one for my light bar and the bumper just to kind of clean it up a little bit because the button I got for it's just a plain old cheap button. So kind of, yeah, just to kind of show you, $60 for two of them. Not a big deal. Kind of cool little thing. I haven't gotten anything from anywhere across the world in a while. So here's a button diagram, 22mm RGB, but we only got these ones. So it'll be pretty cool. It's a little, you kind of screw that behind it and you tighten it back up like that. Pretty good quality made product. So here's your little pigtail so you can wire it up, you know, splice it or whatever. So I might wire that up just for fun, just to see how it is, but because I cannot wait to do my hopefully new rock lights. This will be done now, but I just gotta mount it and whatnot, so that'll be cool. But stay tuned for that. But just kind of showing you a little unboxing. That's all this really is. But yeah, thanks to the guys at Billet Automotive Buttons. It's pretty quick. Literally, the guy on this thing says 15-20 days international, and it literally took 19 days altogether. That's not business days or anything. That's literally ordered these on the 1st of July and got them on the 19th. So perfect time. That was pretty quick. Might be a little longer for people back east, New York, whatever, Florida or whatever. So pretty nice, pretty cool. Pretty excited to install these, so stay tuned. Pretty quite good quality. I'm getting freaking trash, I know. Here, anyways, bye. I'm gonna do it because I wanted to put them in. So I finally got it wired. I saw a video he posted, and he said like 90% of the people don't ever use the white wire. So I cut it and just kind of put some shrink wrap around it. And then so with these, I have an aftermarket light bar, and they usually only come with 3 wires, and I had freaking like 6. So I figured out kind of going trial and error, like trying it, hooking that one up. So obviously the black is ground negative, so then I couldn't figure out the other colors because it would switch on, but neither light would stay on or would not turn on at all. So I figured out the white wire goes to, and is if you have this sort of setup where it's just blue, black, and white. So the green wire, one green wire goes with the power. So I got, let's see, these two, the closest ones on this side, and then the other one went to the blue. So it kind of just goes, just like some people who know electrical stuff better than I do. But then here is, let me get it back in. Here it is. I kind of wanted to, I was more looking at it in the center, and I'm like, I really don't want it to be like, I want it to be able to push it, like if someone like flashes me, or I just want it near the lights, because this is where the fog lights are, your turn signals and everything. So in my case, in the Chevy Silverado, so I got my lights right here that turn on, and then I got my brights, you know, my fog lights and stuff. So I wanted the fog lights right here, or the light bar right here. So look at that. There you go. That's there. On, off. There she is. She's all lit up. Perfect. Looks good. I like it. Clean and nice. Super easy. Just makes the hardest part is probably just drilling it out, but that's it. So just get you a 22mm or the smaller one, 16, 19, 28. But this is perfect.